Okay, so this is the way my knee looks. So one of the reasons why I'm not that eager to get a knee replacement right now is because of this scar. See, the scar has adhered itself to the bone below. See how it doesn't move? I mean, this tissue moves, but that tissue does not move, and that's because it's actually adhered to the condyle. So if I have a knee replacement, when they place the instruments between the bone and the skin, there's a possibility that an instrument might actually poke through the skin, but which we term buttonhole. So I have a situation here that puts me at high risk of complications following a knee replacement. And you saw the X-ray. I don't really have a normal anatomy. So for now, what I do is I get PRP injections, and I also support my knee with a brace. I use this this liner here. It's a company called Repairl. You can see the label right there. It's a really nice liner. And then currently, I'm using a very simple unloading brace, very light. It's soft, circumferential compression. And this one is by OSER. It's a form fit medial unloading brace, very easy to put on. It goes like this. The hinge is on the inner side, which is perfect. When the hinge is on the inner side, it makes the knee look less bowed. So my knee's already bowing a little bit. The last thing I want to do is make it look more bowed. So if you have the hinge on the inner side, it gives the appearance that it's less bowed, which is really nice, especially when you use skinny pants like I do. Just wanted to share that with you. Thanks.